Hi, I'm Rosie and I've had my home done by Suave Property. I heard about Suave through my friend Georgia, who actually lives around the corner and has used them before. And I used Suave on my flat that I had in Battersea, and they were just so amazing, like so professional. So when we came to move into our house, I was like, obviously, we'll call Suave. I think just the experience I had before with you guys was so good. Like it was kind of unlike I've had like quite a lot of painting done previously in my old flat, and Suave was just like just miles better than anyone else I'd used. So it was a very obvious choice. Oh, well, there was quite a lot of painting to do. So we needed to have our sitting room done and our bedroom done and spare bedroom and then our daughter's bedroom as well. So we kind of just needed all of that to be done quite quickly. And then there was a bit of a like issue and that there were carpets going in and there was just quite a lot going on when we moved and it was quite a short time frame. But Suave were amazing and just literally like was so chilled about it, like worked around everything that was going on. I was literally texting Josh every 5 minutes with another ridiculous request that he was always so nice about. So yeah, fine. Yeah, all good. I think it was really good in the respect that like I knew that you guys weren't gonna kind of flake on us or whatever. So no, it was all good. Yeah. My daughter's room, which is like a really cute little nursery room that Suave did. So Suave basically brought someone in to wallpaper the room. They did it really beautifully, and Josh at the end came back in and just like double checked that he was happy with everything because he's a perfectionist. And yeah, we're so happy with how it turned out. It looks amazing. It's a very cute little girl's room. Exactly. Yeah, it's perfect. Like, it's just the cutest room. I wish it was my room actually. It's so nice. I think Josh is just so responsive. Like it's actually insane. And he's like nothing is any problem. When we were doing up the house, I kept on kind of finding things that needed done, and it's quite hard to tell sometimes until you move in what you do need doing. But like nothing was any problem for Josh. He was just like, "Yeah, that's fine. We'll add it on." He was super chilled about everything. I think Suave are just a total delight to work with. Like everyone is just a total dream. Um, I think what's really, really nice as well that I haven't had before is when you guys finish for the day, I'll always get like a video of the kind of locking up process and just like a video with a kind of update of what's been done that day, which is I've never had before, and it's just really reassuring actually if you're not at home. And yeah, I think just super on it, super responsive, super professional, and also really fun and just really helpful and tons of good advice always. Out of what?
Out of five.
Five, definitely.
That's great.
This is our bedroom. It has been painted really beautifully by Suave in this gorgeous Edward Bulmer paint, and it just is such a cozy, lovely room. They did an amazing job. Like all the detailing's perfect, and it looks incredible, much better than it did before. So it's a real glam up. I recommend Suave to everyone. Like Suave owes me money because I recommend them to so many people. I should do Suave's PR for them. Yeah, no, I recommend them to everyone. Like, I think just thanks Josh and thanks everyone. Like the team's amazing, and yeah, I mean that you're great. You guys are the best.
Thank you so much for having us, Rosie.
Pleasure.